In this tutorial, we will learn how to edit something that's already on the page, and actually even if we needed to add something as well. So let's say you were reading something on one of the website pages that you wanted to change. We're going to come over here to Pages, and I'm going to come to All Pages. And let's say it has something to do with your history. So I'm going to go into Edit. And this time I'm going to go into Visual so I can actually see all of the wording here. I found these wonderful old photos on some website that had pictures from your about your church and the bell and such. So anyway, let's say I spelt somebody's name wrong when I set this up. It's just like a Word document. You can certainly hit this and add it right back the way that it's supposed to be spelt. If you wanted to add something, then just, hit return, enter whatever, and add some more. This is a caption, but you don't have to go into caption to do it. All you have to do is, again, if you wanted to add something within the caption, you can just say this. And this information is what I gleaned out of that website that I said that I found. So again, something could be wrong, and again, maybe you want to add more information about the history of your congregation. When you're done, make sure you hit update. You can always preview your changes without saving. You can view page as you're going out of this, but if you just wanted to see what you did to make sure it looks okay, a new page actually opened up, and your page comes up like so. I can go back to my edit page, tab up on top here. Okay, so let's go back to all pages and let's look at another page, what to expect. Once again, you are in the edit mode. Anything that you want to do, you can put your cursor there, and maybe you wanted this to be capitalized. Liturgical order of service, which actually probably could be capitalized. And so there I've made just a small change, and I'm going to update it. And there it is. If you, let's say you don't use the ELH, and you use something else, you certainly can go to Add Media and upload. Let's say you have the TLH, you could put one on your computer, and then you could navigate to your desktop or whatever you use, or some file that you have or whatnot, so that you could add a different hymnal. We're not going to do that right now, but this one just stays. And if you wanted this smaller or bigger, you can drag on it just like you can on a Word file. It's always helpful to preview it when you do something, because it could mess up the spacing of your wording and such. If I made this bigger, then maybe it'll mess up this indentation right here. I don't know, but just so you're aware that to look at it before you actually update it. We didn't really make major changes. I'm going to update that. A post, you don't have any post, but let's say you wanted to start some kind of a blog, then this is where you would do that. You would add a new, and you would give it a title, and if and when you ever decide to do that, a lot of people put their newsletters up here. If you wanted to do that, then you would say add new post, and you could say November, newsletter, and click down into this section down here. You can go to Add Media, and now we're going to upload. I don't have any newsletters on my desktop, but I do have calendars, so from different churches. So I'm going to upload this calendar onto here just to show you what it would be like. So now we'll just say this is your newsletter. I'm going to say insert it into the post. So whatever the name of that file was, that's how it comes up. But if I didn't want the name to look like that, I can just delete some of it. Don't delete all of it, or you won't have it as a link. But now I'm going to make it say November. Okay, and what that does is that file stays on the server on your website. It's not visible here, but the minute I'm going to publish this, the minute somebody would click on it, then it would be. So then in order for it to appear on your front page, I would have to do something else to your page in order for that to happen. So since right now you didn't ask me to put up a newsletter, I won't show you any more about this, but this is just letting you know that this is a possibility that you can do this. I'm just going to get rid of that. I'm going to go into your media file where I just uploaded that, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to delete it. You certainly don't want another church calendars on your site there. Okay. These are the photos that I have uploaded so far on your site, and I believe there's, yeah, that's what I got on the site so far. Okay, anyway, that's that.